I just wanna thank iPass for creating this kind of platform. It's really helpful talaga. It's like I'm taking a refresher course. Kasi as I have mentioned earlier, I don't have really bedside experience. So journeying with iPass really helped me with this journey. As evidenced by with my first and second take, hindi ako pumasa. Tapos ng third take, nag-iPass ako, pumasa ako. So ganun. And then also, I wanna thank iPass kasi hindi lang sila nagpo-provide ng our one coach. So, nagbibigay po sila ng, sa akin nga, three coaches yung sa akin, si Sir Gino, si Miss Jessie, at saka si Sir Justin. Thank you. And coaches really help you with this journey kasi there are really times na you're discouraged. So, they're there to uplift you with your journey. Yung mga wisdom, yung alam nila kung kailan ka didisturbuhin. Kasi during my intensive review, hindi sila kumukonta kasi alam nilang focus ka sa study mo. So they know the timing, they know the time. So and I really appreciate that.